Today we are reviewing the BMW 335i, the M grille, really big alloy wheels, dual exhaust. Oh my god, it's sounding so nice. This 400 Nm of torque. It has got a little tune. 19, of course, because it's a real wheel drive, you need more grip. Plus, right? You've got all the electronics working. It's great. And this car is actually for sale. You've got an ashtray. The knee room is not bad. I'm 5'11". The under thigh support is here. That's how the seatbelt comes, but it didn't catch the seatbelt. It missed out. I like this silver finish here. Look at the steering wheel. Oh, it's going go. Hello guys, today we are reviewing the BMW 335i from 2007, and oh my god, I've got my hands on it now. After the longest time, I've been trying to find this car and now I've got it in my hands, and my god, I love this car so much. I just took it for a drive, did some aggressive runs, and this car feels so original. This gives the proper BMW feel. Look how it looks. It's such an aggressive, good-looking, sporty car. Every boy's dream, honestly. This used to be one of my top-tier cars on my list. Like, I've always dreamt about this car. Of course, now it's really old, but still, look how it's It's just, I'm just losing my words, honestly. And the owner has done some really minimalistic mods to it, which is actually amazing. Like, I love how the car is looking with the M grille. Really big alloy wheels, 19-inch alloy wheels, and it just makes the car that it's sitting really low. Plus a little bit of black tints here and there, the black indicator, the logo. I love this. Black tinted windows. Oh my god, look at this car. It's super. Black spoiler, 335i batching here. BMW, of course. It's got dual exhaust. Oh my god, it's sounding so nice. This car is a little bit tuned as well, so it's actually throwing a little bit more power. There's a lot more to say, honestly, but okay, I'll give you some specifications here. It comes with a 3-liter inline-6 engine. Stock, it produces 301 bhp and throws out 400 Nm of torque. It has got a little tune. I'm not exactly sure how much tune, but the outcome is 317 bhp, so it is actually gaining 16 bhp more, but I feel that it is giving a little more push to it. But it's already such a quick car. Plus, look at the engine bay. It looks so rugged, like the OG BMW engine looks. Plus it's got hydraulic studs, easy to lift. I love it. Look at the look of it. Wow, it looks like a nice Nike sneaker. I don't know why I'm calling it like. It just looks like very nice. Gets the projector set up with the OG rings on it, fog lamp setup. Wow. The front tire size is 235, 55, 19 inches. Alloy wheels looks brilliant. They've also done the black patching here on the alloy wheels, which looks amazing. The rear tire size is a little bigger, which is 255, 50, 19. Of course, because it's a real wheel drive, you need more grip, right? Because if you're turning on the DDC, if you're turning on the traction control, you might just tail it out all the time. That's how the boot looks like. Pretty decent boot, honestly, according to the size of this car. It's a pretty, like, it's literally a little bit smaller than a normal 3 Series, but yeah, it's a decent sized boot. I love, I mean, don't you think it's one of the best looking 3 Series or the BMWs ever produced? It's so nice. I would still love to have this in my garage, honestly. 100%. Comes with frameless doors. How sexy does that look? How sexy does that look? And the old interiors, of course, according to the age, they do look old, but they're still giving you that feel of that OG BMW vibes, right? Plus, you've got all the electronics working. It's great. And this car is actually for sale, just by the way. So you've got rear seats. We can't be comparing these seats with anything because you don't get much space in it. If you put the big side seat back, it's actually not too bad, I would say, according to the cars which we are getting now for with the rear seats, two-door cars. You've got a light here. This looks amazing. Man, old cars used to have some really good vibe going on. These are some lights for the rear seat, rear AC vents for this car as well. You've got an ashtray plus some space to keep your stuff here. You've also got handrest. Wow, lovely. Speakers at the back, handrest at the back. You've got the seat belt which comes out when you actually sit on your driving seat. What else do you need, man? That's how the front dash looks like. I really like the steering wheel of this actually. Like, I'm just enjoying this car so much. Actually, I'm just like praising it a bit too much. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. Comes with a sunroof, not the biggest sunroof, but yeah, pretty decent. The knee room is not bad. I'm 5'11". The under thigh support is really poor. The headroom is adequate. Like, can't complain too much. And that's how you put the seat back in front. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a test run and see how quickly this car reaches 100. Of course, we're gonna do some exhaust notes as well to see how it sounds. It has some pops and bangs. I don't know if I will be able to catch it on the video, but we'll try our best. Probably do a POV run as well, just to make you feel how the car is actually running. Yeah, so oh, that's my car key. That's how the key looks like. Very old, of course. It's just like used a lot. That's why the key looks like this right now. But you got to insert the key, put the start stop button, and the car rolls. Oh, here, that's how the seatbelt comes. But it didn't catch the seatbelt. It missed out. But it's still working. Isn't that like so cool? Love it. I'll get the AC on. It's really hot. Okay, so that's how the speedometer looks like. That's how the gearbox looks like. Very basic. The infotainment screen is there. Of course, you won't be using it anymore because it's really old. It's really not fun to use right now. But you do still get everything you need in it, like normal navigation. Nobody's going to use it. Entertainment, climate, communication. You get physical buttons. Of course, everyone still loves these things, right? You've got a dual cup holders as well. Yep, this one wasn't working when I tried before, but yeah, this also used to be a cup holder. I like this silver finish here. Look at the steering wheel, man. I think I'm gonna get these patches for my car as well. These black themed patches, I love it. And these paddle shifters, man, amazing. And it works in a different way where if you click like that, it's always going to increase, and if you click like that, it's always going to decrease. Same with these panels. So it's not like minus plus, it's both. You can use it as you want to. Basic headlight controls here. Yeah, you've got a normal D mode, plus you've got smart mode, but plus you got the paddle shifters to play around with the gears. So we're going to test run everything. Oh, you've also got heated seats. Let's go. You've also got heated seats, man. What else do you need in this car? Fuck me, it's so good. I'm just enjoying this car so much. Let's give it some revs and see how it sounds. Actually, I don't know if you'll be able to hear it or not, but let's see. Alright, so let's do a test run and see how far this goes. I'm excited. Let's go. Alright, so I'm just doing a little POV driving review for this car. Just want to show you how good is this BMW 335i is from 2007. It's actually tuned a little bit, so it has got a lot more power than the usual. It already is a powerful car, honestly, but it has been tuned and it's now throwing out 317 bhp. Really nice, really nice, really fun car to drive. And you know how the old BMWs were, right? It's really good to drive. The paddle shifters looks great, and it's throwing some pops as well. Like, it sounds really nice. It's just that the steering wheel, the feel of it, of course, like for high speeds it's great, but like for low speeds it's really like hard to drive. You know how the steerings used to be, right? They never felt power steering. It's a really nice, really like stable car to drive. Let me put it on sports. Let me show you how quickly it's going actually on POV. I've been like really enjoying driving this car. Look at the kickdown. Look at that. How quick is it? How quick is it? And it sounds amazing. It sounds so powerful. Wow, this feels so good. I'm gonna do, of course, I'm gonna do the timing as well, how quickly it's reaching 0 to 100. And let's hear some exhaust notes. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it properly or not, but let's give it a go. Oh, hear those bangs. Did you hear that? Let's hear them one more time. Look at that. I love it. Love it. Pulls so hard. Oh, it's going on the burbs.